Good morning, everyone. Today it's another live trading session. I'm watching TAOP right now. It's the only low float that is actually moving pre-market. And the other stock that was on my watch was ERYP, but it has a terrible setup for today. So I'm definitely going to focus in on TOAP. Even though this one is up 100%, it just doesn't look good at all. I mean, up 100%, but it's literally faded. It was up like 300, I believe, 300%. Jumped up from $5 up to the $22. So not my type of move. Not my type of move at all. Okay, TAOP. Trying to get back up. VWAP is at the $4. So the $4 is not only a whole dollar resistance, VWAP is also the resistance there as well. On the daily chart, it ran up yesterday to the 443s and now is lower than that. So I don't know how far it can go up. It went up to the 436s today, which is right on this little top. We'll see if it continues to fade. TAOP. Kind of thought it was going to hold one of these as support, but now we don't know where the support is. So I just put the support down here, the 343, until it builds up or just stays within this range. All right. Yesterday, man, I caught XBIO. I've caught the last 3 minutes of the market of XBIO. Made 30 bucks in that 3 minutes. Very end of it. I was leaving my office and something told me just check your platform. Glad I did. 30 quick bucks. Good morning, Daniel B. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bring these over here so I can see them a little bit better. Okay, that'll work. Yeah, I'm watching TAOP. It's the lowest float mover of right now, leading in volume. Yeah, thank you, Daniel B. Ben said he will be on at 8 o'clock, but it is 8:03, so he's a little bit late, just a little bit. So I guess we're gonna have to start deducting fingers for being late. So will we see buying volume come back into this thing? maybe it can get a mad rush up. I don't know. Still pre-market though. Let's see where the volume was at the beginning. This volume candle was 50,000, then it went up to 232. It's not got over 500,000 on a single bar, so you know, not a lot of love today for it. Let's check the news on it. It signs a strategic cooperation agreement with Shenzhen Intel Strat Technology. So not big news. And we definitely got a lot of resistance up here on the daily chart. We got the 200 moving average. We have resistance at the 481, 444. So this is one that may just fade. And it is Friday. So I got to remember that. Friday sometimes gets hectic. Looks like it has a little double bottom down here on the 381. We'll see if it can hold that up. Support right there. These are the only two stocks that I saw this morning. This one was up 97%, but I mean, it went up from the 5.470 up to the $22 and then dropped all the way back down to the $8. So that was a very monstrous move on that one. Let me add the volume so I can see the volume as well. Volume. Okay, there's the volume on it. Had literally almost no volume back here. It went up that much on 50,000 in volume. It's up to the 22 from the $5. And the news wasn't even that great. Okay, TAOP getting back up there to that $4 level, getting shoved down. Yeah, it may be. We'll see. A lot of resistance ahead. $444. It may go up there and double top, but I don't. It might just stop at this this resistance here at the 438s and just get punched. Oh crap! Ben called me already. I didn't even see him call me. All right. What's up, Ben? Can you hear me? Ben, can you hear me now? Cool, cool. All right, yeah, we were looking at TAOP, making this little, it has really, really weak news and it has a bunch of resistance ahead of it. So yeah, it's got the 200 moving average. It's got a resistance at the 481, the 444, big top and tails on both of those resistances. Yep. So, not looking too good. We're just gonna watch it at the open and see if it gets destroyed like the other ones did that we called out. XBIO, I haven't looked at that. Mm, yeah, XBIO is down quite a bit on that. If you look at the overall pattern, it looks like it had a flat top at the $6 level, and then kind of, well, they gap down. How far did it gap down? It didn't even gap fill. They didn't even have enough to gap fill. It only got up to the 560, so that's weakness there as well. Yeah, yeah. Daniel B said, "Man, TAOP is junk." Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It looks like it's already forming a little downtrend. It came back up here and trying to fight up, but looks like it got stopped around that 425 level. Yep. The only other one that was on my scanner today was for right now was ERYP. It has a stupid move from the $4 up to the $22 in like 10 minutes. And then if you look at the volume, it only had 50,000 shares traded in those minutes, which is insane. That means if you were stupid enough to buy the top, you absolutely got murdered. Yeah. I'm gonna let TAOP consolidate and kind of see where his strength is, but I don't know. We'll see. ARDX. Mm, it doesn't look good on the it doesn't look good on the charts. I'll look at it once it breaks two. Yeah. TAOP go. Mm-hmm. I saw BTBT react. TA TAOP has found a little flat top right there at the 420s, dipping back down now. What's that ticker? McCowan Holdings. Oh, oh my! I'm thinking that's a ticker. I'm about to go trade him, bro. Trash. I mean, but think about the profit takers. But it could be shorts piling on, and it could be a heavy short on this one. So maybe if they get enough buyers, yeah.
13, and then after that, there's no more. Oh
No,
no, 14.
no. Me and Ben, we didn't. I don't think Ben took any trades on Robinhood yesterday.
No, I ignored Robin Hood. I completely ignored that trash. I knew exactly what was going to happen to that garbage. From what I heard, it dropped ridiculous.
Yeah, it dropped from like the 38s down to the 34s, and then kind of bounced and then faded.
Let's see. Big Ball. Yeah, I do have. Oh, I may not have put that video out actually on these. Well, I can't remember if I've covered the high day scanner and the other scanner. I think I only covered the Nasdaq and the NYSE one. So yeah, I'm still kind of working on the high day scanner and the other scanner that I use, and I haven't quite got them where I want to yet. But I can show you here in a little bit when I'm not trading. I'll pull my scanners up so you guys can see those how they're set up for that particular scanner. Good morning, Doc Trader. It's been a while, man. How you doing, Doc Trader? Um, oh, did Hal? Nice, Brian. Did you call somebody? Oh, see, you waited till it dropped to 33, bought back in, and went back up to almost open on Robinhood. Is that what the name of that? Is that the ticker symbol? They called it Hood.
Yeah, hood.
Wow,
It's the ghetto.
wow, what a
stock
ticker symbol.
stock market ghetto.
uh, yeah, man, I see that's this nice bounce there you got. Did somebody? I'm trying to figure out. Did somebody say somebody was done for buying at the top somewhere? Brian, we're active this morning. We're getting a no problem, big baller. Just remind me in the stream, and then Dr. Trader, of course, I remember you, buddy. I'm glad you're not sick anymore. That's a long time of being sick. I hope you're okay. Well, it's been a couple of months. Chris Game Boss said Hood is trash. I mean, there's always money to be made off any stock, even if they are trash, if you can catch them right. But I just was not going to get in the hype of Robinhood. I don't even like the Robinhood app. There's multiple videos on my channel where I trash the Robinhood app, so I'm definitely not going to trade it. It's, I feel the way I feel about Apple is the way I feel about Robinhood. To be honest, if you follow
Hey,
me for a while.
yeah, Apple's trash.
Yeah,
Absolute
I will
garbage.
I will not buy one bit of Apple shares for any reason. And Robinhood will probably be the same way. Just because that Robinhood is just garbage.
Yeah,
So
yeah, TAOP went ahead and cracked down, so I'll just be looking out. Right now, the only things on my scanner is ERYP and TAOP, and I'll see what happens at the open. We got about 10 minutes to the open.
yeah, I think the only thing right now that is showing up is EYRP. And other than that, I don't even know if I want to trade this the way it's going to gap up. So I think I'm just going to chill out,
Yep.
wait till something new pops up. Let's see, SPRT, that's not getting any volume at the moment.
TBT.
Although I would keep an eye on XBIO.
Yeah, I looked at it, but it doesn't, I don't like that box shape that it has. Kind of like little boxes. I like it to be flowing. It's starting to get into like a little tight little range with a lot of wicks. So I'm not too into XBIO. It's gonna have to get rid of some of those wicks and choose a direction.
Yeah, it's consolidating right above the 200 on the 5 minute right now.
Yeah.
Right at 460 is where the 200 day is.
All right. So let me see.
It's holding up as some support. Hasn't been below the 200 day since yesterday morning. So, oh, let's see. McCowan said NSAV. Let's see,
NSAV.
NSAV. Oh boy.
AV.
Yeah, this is a very cheap OTC stock.
Oh my
7 cents.
gosh. Yeah. Ha ha. You enter your
It's
money in that, you're gonna have to sit for a couple years.
I mean, it looks like it's been running the past couple of days. Actually, past couple of weeks, it's went from a penny up to 7 cents. That's a pretty big move. But that would be my concern now. Even though I don't day trade OTC stocks like this, it's running right into this old peak right here of 7 cents. So I would expect some type of pullback probably.
It says it has a PR. It says a target to become U.S. second public cryptocurrency exchange enters $2 trillion marketplace.
Okay, well, it's lying. I can tell you right now, this PR is a lie because Coinbase has already went public and Voyager has been public in the OTC markets for 2 years now, I think. So they straight up lied on their PR.
Well, that's why they're at 7 cents.
Yeah. So I would be very careful messing with this because their PR is a lie. Like no, not I'm not kidding at all. Voyager's ticker symbol is VY. Let's see, what is it? VY. Yeah, VYGBF. This is Voyager Digital. They've got the best phone app, in my opinion, for cryptos. And then, of course, Coin is Coinbase. So, I mean, right there, there's two public crypto exchanges. So, NSAV is full of it. All right. Well, we got Boy, we're getting busy here. Yeah, no problem, McCowan Holdings. I mean, you're okay, boy. We are hot this morning. All right, so Tesla, massive action. I don't trade anything that high price because it takes too much capital. I'll take a look at Tesla though. Uh, yeah, Tesla is chilling right above the 10-day and the 50-day. Looks like it's been consolidating sideways for that break of 700. But be wary because it's Friday, it's the last day of the month. The SPY is not looking lovely. So if the SPY starts cracking, we could see Tesla easily pull back. The SPY cracks below 437.50.
Oh yeah.
Boy, we got all kinds of people in here today. RLG, you're welcome. Appreciate that. And also, I have the new setup too with the new strategy. Let's see, we got 5 minutes here, guys. So I guess we better go ahead and split apart how and get ready for the day here.
Most def. All right, man. Take it easy. Don't jump into anything I wouldn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang out for a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna touch anything for a little while here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna watch TAOP absolutely get shredded.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, we'll talk to you later.
All right, bye bye. All right. Looking for our low float movers if we can find some. TAOP not looking good. TAOP may get a little bit of a pop, but I don't think it's going to do much. We'll just watch it Friday morning, baby. The weights are on. Let's get it. 15 seconds. Market is open. Woo-hoo. Will it break that 4 down? Heavy on that 4. All right, let's go out here to my other watch list. Oh, wow, everything went red on the day. ERYP was the other one that we were kind of looking at, but this thing ran up after market yesterday from the $4 to the $22. 22.07. It's back green on the day. Still not interested. Let's see, the gap fill area up here is a 969. I don't think it has enough to get up there just yet. We'll have to let it consolidate, see if it can get up there. AHPI popping up there on the scanner. HPI. Woo, HPI getting a nice little move up there. Okay. So we'll watch that one. Definitely. News on AHPI looking like just news on a trade halt. What is this other one? Oh, that's TAOP coming back up there. AHPI is looking a little bit better. Let me go and look at some of the look this, or did I already research this? I think I did at some point. AHPI. All right. AHPI no shelf registrations has a float of float of 2.99 million, so about 3 million in the float, according to FinViz and Yahoo Finance. All right, so we'll definitely be watching that one to do its thing. ERYP pumping up there as well. It does have a gap fill up here around the 965s, but I'm going to watch AHPI for right now, see if it can kind of consolidate here. ERYP went into a halt. Halted right there on that one. Works popping up there as well. Works. Go look at Works real quick. right, so what's the news on AHPI? No news. Works. Thought it was halted for a minute there. Making small moves down here at the 228s. Don't think it has any kind of news on it. Okay. We'll see. AHPI, I'm gonna need it to calm down a bit. Got up here to that previous resistance level that I had marked for it. Found this little flat bottom right along the 200 moving average. But yeah, I'm gonna let that pull back a bit. Everything just needs to calm down. TAOP back up here, but I don't like it. Strong resistance around this 425 level. Right through there. All right. See how far that pulls back. TAOP just struggling here. I don't like it. A lot of resistance ahead. If it breaks down the 406, it's going to be red, going back red on the day. See if we can get back onto the 10s. 410s here. APH getting bought up there. Came down to the VWAP right there. Getting a little bit of pushback. All right. We are watching. Top mover, TAOP, AHPI, and then works. This thing is struggling way too much. I just don't like it. Will it go under the 10s? Hitting the 10s? Works still going up, popping a little bit there. AHPI finally giving a pullback. Under the 10s there on TOAP, going red. I think AHPI is about to become our top mover. Let's get ready to trade. Let's get ready to trade if it can do some nice consolidation here. Getting some big pushes down. Works. Pushed up 40 cents, has not done any pulling back. AHPI back above the 7s. I'm thinking about entering in. Let's see, will it... Ooh, don't like those pops. Can we get back over the 7s? Ah, I missed that one. Very quick over the sevens. See if we'll get a little drop, or will it continue to push? Wow. So no pullbacks for this one. None of those bars closed red. So we'll finally see a red bar here, possibly. Will it break down the body of this candle, which is the 712s? Right, works is also up here. Let's see what it's doing. Went up 5 more cents, still hasn't pulled back. Yep, I'm gonna be a little bit more patient this morning. Not gonna rush it. No reason. Works. Still pushing up there. Let me go back to my other tab so we can see them all. Okay. ERP did open up out of that halt and went straight down. Opened up at the same level. Dropped down $1 on those people. Nasty move. Okay, let's see. Good morning, Jay Kratz. Good morning, good morning. We're sitting here watching. We just watched ER. Well, we didn't actually watch this. We just I had already said I wasn't gonna touch this one. ERYP went up from $4 up to the $22 yesterday in aftermarket, and it just went into a halt, opened up, and dropped $1. All right. Make sure if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing as well. Right now, we're just sitting, waiting on opportunities. AHPI moved up a bit, has not given any kind of retreat or reprieve or pullback or anything like that, so I'm not trusting it just yet. Works is getting a nice topping tail there. We'll see what it wants to do. Looks like its pre-market high was at the 220s. AHPI, man, will not pull back. See how far it moved. That was a 20-cent move out from there. So we'll see what it wants to do. EYRP opened up down here, pop back up real quick. I think that one's got a lot more downwards movement to go. Who will be the one? ERYP, did it just pop up? Oh, okay. Popped up and then came right back down. Let's see where the bottoms are on these things. 688s. Ooh, kind of going down a little bit much. Glad I didn't buy in here. I would have had to take my everything right here on the top. Okay, looking like it has a little bounce point right there, the 684s. Possible. We'll see if it breaks that down though. Yeah, did you get in? Did you get in on the dip, J Kratz? Cause it dipped down from what, the 38 down to the 34. Did you get in on the dip? Oh yeah. Wow, you caught the bottom, yeah. Works piling on down there. HPI looking like it wants to hold up. We'll see some consolidation here. Not gonna jump in just yet. Yeah. So on the 15-minute, it came all the way down here to the 685s. Draw some support down here, 685s. Work still piling down as well. Wow, ERYP popped all the way back up there. That's a weird stock, man. I don't know what to do with that. Not giving me any good pullbacks. Pulled under VWAP, came back up, but still has not certified a bottom yet. If it goes, it'll just go without me here. Hmm. Mm-hmm. AHPI did come down and consolidate. I guess they hit this bottom right here 2 times with the green candles, but I rather just see a little bit more consolidation from the open. Let's see, it's up 40 cents from that open. Still looking for a bottom to be confirmed though. Wow, works fading on down. Will it drop out of the 60s? Nope. Into the 70s, back into the 60s. Hit that 75. So just gonna have to go without me. Don't like the setup. I'll wait for something a little bit better. There's an investigation on works. Looks like investigates the officers and directors of SCW Works. So that's probably something I don't want to touch. All right, let me go over here to my trade tab. HPI. Right up there to the top level there. I would love to see some consolidation somewhere, but it's just been going straight up. RLYB on the list. No volume, halted, up and then down. RLB. RLYB. Hmm. Any news on it? Let's see. Just the form 424B4. Marin popping up there. Marin popping up there. Quite nice. A lot of little pops here. Speed is what you need. Um, if finesse is what you want to possess. Yeah, yeah, I feel that. What do y'all think about this Works thing, the investigation on Works? Do you think it's gonna kill it today or what? Because their directors and their pretty much their whole company's being investigated. But as you see, people still just looking for the catalyst, I guess. Why is this not working? APHI just going straight up, baby. Straight up. Works getting a nice little topping tail there back under the VWAP. AHPI isn't taking any breaks. It's just going straight to the moon. Somebody's gonna make money off of it. You can get those little scalps in there with pretty big position size. ERYP just continues to be crazy. Yeah, if it doesn't pop further, it's on my daily watch list. AHPI's fractals suggest it's toast for the day, but it's good for later to possibly. Yeah, most def. We'll see how it comes out of this halt. Up 46%. Halt time is halt time is 9:58:28. So it should be opening up at 10:03:28. Yeah, it's interesting. I just didn't want to, get into something like this and then get absolutely destroyed on the way down because it hasn't confirmed any bottoms. It's just been going up. And it has no news on the day. So people are strictly trading because it's a low float. And I'm willing to wait for a nice entry rather than get spaded up here. Marin back up there on the scanner. Did do a little bit of a pullback. It's going to have to consolidate a bit. Is not as volatile as these other two, though. Let's see. Will Works break down this 236? Wow, right down to the 236, right through it. Can we get the 30s? 36, 35s. All right, Dallas. All right, man. Have a good one. Be safe. Hmm. Looking, waiting, watching. All right. So it's supposed to be opening up, coming up here on the 10:03:28. If it is a regular halt, have a little support down here on the daily chart. It's like it's about to open up here in just a moment. We'll see how it looks. If it opens up high, oh, don't like that. We'll let that pull back. Should open up a little bit higher than that. Just a little bit. All right, let's see the resistance up here. Right there. We got a little bit more resistance up here. All right. Closing this candle in 10 seconds. Yeah, just going straight up. Not a lot of potential here for any more long. Mm-hmm. Needs to hold up that pretty much that $8 level. There we go. Marin back up there. Marin getting a little jump as well. Marin daily chart does not look too good. Works piling down. Let AHPI kind of find a new bottom. We have the 9 EMA down here all the way at the 717, so it's quite a bit away from it. This one has a bottom of the 689s support right there. Top side on this one. Yeah, I don't know if that one's going to do anything today. The way it's moving. Have to get a little bit more volatile. Woo! Nice little dip down there. Should be a lot of profit takers still pushing this thing down. You got out from ERP, get in but sold my position, small loss, but those wicks had me nervous. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at AHPI jumping up there. Too far, too fast for me. I'm gonna have to pull back. Too far, too fast. Messed up the whole thing. So it does have a little bit of a, let's see, low of 1916. So we'll see what happens. Wow, that was too far, too fast. Let's see if we can hold up that 8 again. Just got two minutes left on this candle. Man, that thing went a long way. We'll see how high the next candle opens up. Wow, looking like it's gonna go ahead and go. Very small little touch up there. Hmm. Candle closing in about a minute and something. See what's the high of this that is trying to hold up the 910. Needs to stay above that 910. How much dip can we get? For a little bit more dip than that. I want to test that 910. Fifteens, 11s, not getting it. Mm. Very small little push out. Going red to green now, facing some indecision. So I'm just gonna wait. Can we see it under the 15s? 16 very quick, 15 pop. There it is. All right, so now we have our previous bottom here of the 815s. We'll see if it can hold that up. Did come down and crack the 9 down here to the 78s. Very extended play here. So I want to be very careful on it. This candle. Myron is also up as well. Did a little consolidation there. What's the news on Myron? Marin. No shelf registration on Marin, but that daily chart is looking just, I don't know, just kind of bad. Got a lot of pulling back to do on AHPI. FHS popping up there as well. It's got to get a lot more volume. Probably doesn't even have any news. First High School Education Group provides updates on some kind of tutoring business. I'm gonna stick right here for now. All right, so there's a bottom here at the 877. Right through here. '20s. Will it go back green? All right. I entered a little bit there to see if we can go ahead and get going. 50 shares. My out is the low of the 880s. Looks like it's got all this selling out, possibly. Okay, so 835s. Can it start to hold those 25s? Nice. Can we get on through there and hold those 25s up? 835. Mm, 813s. Can it hold up the 813s there? That'll be my all-out point right here. Will it break down the 8s? 750s. $750s. It's looking like the spot I need to be out. Looking to see if we can make one more move up. If not, maybe deuces for me. Yeah, 749. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop out there. If it breaks down that much, it's over. Breaks that 750 level. We will see. All right, let's move this stop up to the 855s. I'm just gonna use the 9 EMA on the 15-minute to see if it'll hold up. '60s. All right. Being patient, patient on that one. Works. A lot of wicks on works. Let's see. Let's see. Marin went on up there. Works. Also making moves. Needs to do a pullback. Mm. Works getting a little bit of motion there. All right, coming on down to the 9 EMA where my stop out is. Can it get back to the 40s? Can we see these 40s? All right, getting a little weak there. Expecting it to go ahead and get up and go. Where are we? 760s. 759. Go ahead and cut it if it can't go. Want to see those 21s pop up there. 25s. Need to get through the 40s here. '60s. 792. Let's see if this thing can continue to push up. About a couple minutes left on this one. At this point, the 791 is probably going to have to be my out. If it comes back all the way down here, it's not going to be looking good. $790s. Can we hold the 50s? '50s holding. '60s. Okay. So we had a previous bottom down here to 792. Have my stop out ready to go there. Trying to see if it can go any higher. Was this a double top? High 69, 65. Hmm. Actually, now that I look at it, I'm gonna go ahead and use that 9 EMA. It's literally right here. So if it breaks that 9 EMA, I'll be out. Need to see it get picked back up over the 38s. Can we see the 40s? 36s, 40s. Can we see the 45s? 44s, but I'm not seeing it on the bid. Yep, coming down, looking like it's going to stop me out here. What did Works end up doing? Works pulled back as well. Really not liking that it crossed back over VWAP. Maybe, let's see, what's the bottom of this? 794. Not liking that at all. Needs to get back over the 25s. Got a couple other things popping here as well. Let's see. That one's up, very low volume. Marin also up, grinding up. Works going through. Looking like it's coming to stop me out. Stop me out right there. Man, took a little bit of a loss there. Have to look for another setup. That one took a long time. Low float. Thought it could go. Couldn't get going. All right, Marin, what you got? Marin's grinding up as well. HPI. SNTG. China Centage. OSS popping up there as well. Grinding up. Just not seeing anything that could help me today. It's almost 10 o'clock. I took one trade that was a red trade. Probably about 50 bucks down on that one. Let me see. 76 bucks down on that one. Much more than I was expecting, but it's all good. Was not able to continue. Dropped below that level of the $8, and it's going on down. HPI. I'm gonna continue watching AHPI. I don't know if it's done for the day, but right now it is kind of forming a little downtrend. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so AHPI. Why does this one keep on messing up on me? Am I tripping? We'll see if it can hold over these levels of the 758. 758. $764 looks to be a nice little level. 764. I'll wait for it to transition though. Right back up there to that little $8 level. Maybe come a little bit of resistance though. Now it has a clear trend line that we can see. Downtrend. Yep, Fridays are always kind of goofy, very goofy. But I'm not done with AHPI yet. It may not be done with me yet. Okay, so we have a low right here of the 765 on the 15 minute. See if it can hold that up. Martin getting a little bit more heavy. APRN, no. Let's see. If it's not a low float, I'm probably staying away from it. Let's check the float. APRN. Hmm. Maybe it doesn't have volume yet. Let me see. Check the volume. Oh, it has volume. Oh, it's not volatile enough. It's not volatile enough yet for me. It'll pop up there. I'm not interested until it gets volatile. $7.94. $8 level, 8.10, 8.25. Hmm. Starting to get a little bottom here. Still need to see it stay over these previous days. 784. Needs to hold that 784 level. Nice. Getting back up there to the 5-minute 9 EMA of the 815. May have to see how this one closes. It's got 3 minutes left on this candle. BLIN. Pretty sure everybody knows that name. Can we get the 35s to start holding here? Back down to the 815s. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Not seeing that buying volume come in just yet. Okay, there it is. A little bit. Can we get the 25s to start holding there on the bid? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. About 50 seconds left or 40 seconds left on this candle. Man, the market AHPI man has formed this little downtrend here. I'm looking for a breakout somewhere, but I really don't know where. Oh, I like that. I like that little buying pressure coming in there. Can we get up to the 20s and start to hold? Mm. Oh, it's trying to go up again. It just started a new candle. I don't like that. Just started a new candle. We'll see if it can hold up that 765. Works went on down. MRIN also came on down. What else were we watching? Nothing else really caught the eye just yet. Starting to like it though. VWAP is at the 34, 834s. Back under the 815 there. This candle just opened, so we don't know where it wants to go. Love to get a red candle before it tries to go. Yeah. Red candle above the $8. Be nice. Yeah, Fortnite has been a little bit of a rough road. AHP, I was just going out of the gate. I waited for a pullback, entered a little bit high. I can say that. But never was able to really get any kind of traction on it. Got about 2 minutes left on this candle. Will it go red? Okay, there's a bit of buying volume there. 20s. I like it. Can we get through that 34? Start to hold that 34 up. I want to see those 34s on the bid. Two minutes left on this candle. I want to see those 34s. 20, 32s, 35s. Make sure it doesn't get hard rejection off of this trend line. 32s. 30s. Can we hold the 40s here? 34s. It's a very weak little move up. I don't know about it. Nice Fortnite. Up over 300. It's looking for a hold on that 34, but kind of pity patting around there. Back down to the 25s. There's a little bit of rejection there. Traded NIO, Tesla, and AMD. Oh yeah, you're trading the big boys. The big boys. All right, so it tried to go up multiple times now. Don't like buying on these kind of extension plays. Get some nasty rejection here. Nasty, nasty rejection. Easy money, yeah. Fortnite, easy money. Marin, still looking questionable. It's just been grinding up. BLIN is also up there. Oh, I'm not up anything today. I'm not up anything. I'm down. Like I said, this one came up. I waited on the pullback, came up, and then it kind of crashed out. So yeah, I'm down. But I'm trying to see how this candle is gonna close because I would like to re-enter here. Can we get the break of the 70s? Let's see. Can we get into the 60s? Looking like so. I'm gonna go ahead and get in there, and we'll see what kind of action it can get from here. My out will be down here on the 764. 764. Let's see. Yeah. 777, 775 level. And with 75 shares. Stop out. 775, 774. We'll see what it wants to do. Can we see those 90s back up there? Low of this right now is a 778. 770s. Getting a little push down. I added a little bit there, right at my break even. Make it an even 100 shares. And let's get ready to get out. This bottom of this 5-minute low is the 824. Low 776. Getting a little push up there, very small. And get those 85s there. Get those 90s. Very quick 90 push. Okay. We have a top here of the 950s. So resistance right there, 950. Get over the 910s. All right. Looking for a little bit of continuation. We do have this green candle down here. Body of this candle, 798s. Trying to see if we can hold up those nines. And we see the 901 start to take hold. Bottom of this previous candle was the 76. Getting a little topping tail there. Want to stay above, but it looks like I'm gonna need to cut off a little bit here. Took some down to 50 shares. Just don't like that, especially if it gets another push down here. Breaks that 75 again, I'm out. Yep. I'm going to go ahead and take off right there. Not liking that setup right there. I let it pull back. That top and tail threw me out of there. I didn't like that. Myron, though, let's see, it's got a little bit of consolidation. Looks like it wants to break down. Low here is the 808, 4 cents away, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. Hey, I think I just knocked my camera down. I believe. Yep, knocked the camera down. Gotta go get it up. I had it a little bit too close. A little bit too close right there, I guess. Should be all right now. Yeah. I guess it felt my wrath. All right. A little bit too close. Sometimes when I actually use this laptop to like travel and stuff, and every time I set it back on the stand that I have it on, it moves back just a little bit, and then eventually it just pushes pushing stuff off the desk. Anyway, let me make sure I'm straight now. Right there. All right. AHPI looking for some consolidation there. It's been twice that it's kind of given a move, but that weakness right there just really threw me off. All right. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Finally giving a pullback. This pullback may be a little bit too strong though. We'll see. All right. SN, BLIN. Ooh, ran all the way up here. Very, very extended. Don't want to enter there. Just looked like it double top and then popped through. Yeah, I'm not down with that. Yep, that's what I didn't want to get caught in right there. Nice pullback, finally creating another bottom, but now we have a trend line going like this. Marin dumped. Works dumped. Want to see it get back over the 90s and start to hold on AH or AHPI. But I don't think it can do that. Yeah, AHPI has been a shaky one, man. Low float, just very shaky. BLIN continuing to just do its thing. Let me go and look at that one. Possible trades on it, since it seems like it's getting more valid attention than anything else. Did I accidentally, let me go back. Maybe I accidentally set that. Nope. Okay. BLIN has a little bit of resistance up here at the 750s. Okay. Can we start to make a move up higher and hold the 90s, 890s? 70s. So it has 3 minutes left on this candle. Starting to like it. Nice, nice. 82s. See if we can hold this, start to consolidate here. Because I already ran up to this level the first time. So I'm assuming it's going to do a pullback. Back to the 75s there quickly. Top side of this is the 890s. So it went up there and it touched it real quick, got over it just a little bit, and now getting a little bit of pressure put onto it. Wanted to kind of see it consolidate around this area since it's worked so hard to get here. Oh my goodness. BLIN just going to the moon. Okay, can we get up and start to hold the 890s now? Nope. He is consolidating really nicely around this level. But just not enough to get me in. BLIN took a little dip there. I'm not gonna mess with BILN or BLIN. It's just not the top mover right now. Once AHPI fails, then I'll be more inclined to go over there. It's gotta hold up these 840s though. 850s. Works. All right, there it goes, giving up the ghost. Mm, not a lot of volume there. So yeah, we got a nice trend line set up here. It's got a lot of work to do. Mm-hmm. All right, OSS, what are you trying to do? Very low volume, not gonna worry about that one. This one's not moving. BLIN continues to fade off. So this one's really not respecting VWAP or anything. We just got to kind of see what it's doing. It's just up and down, forming a range now. Only problem is this range has a downtrend in it. I don't know why my chart seems to be not keeping up with my other two charts. The other two are having no problems. With this one, it's tripping. Right, so it looks like the 841 was that next level of resistance right here that it's kind of struggling with. Hmm. Trying to hold up that 41. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Do like that motion. Go ahead and take some here. See if it can continue. Added a little bit more. Our bottom here is the 826. Got my stop out ready to go. Entered again here. Looking to see if it can get up. Can we get those 90s on there? Got up there that trend line. Don't know what it wants to do up here. Can it break the 90s? Or hold the 90s, rather? Nice. Getting up there to that trend line, facing some resistance. Was that a double top high? It did not break the 14 there. Just waiting. $25. Nice. Very short-lived breakout, but I do like it. Need to see it get through this high of the 914, 920s right there. Nice. All right, so let's look at the balances today. We're down 23 bucks now. Okay. Can I get back green on the day? And I'm looking to take off if I can get back green. 90s. Can we go ahead and tap that 950? 12 bucks. Let me get ready to exit. Can get just a little bit more through those 40s. 40s right there. Got right up there to it. Looking for the break. There's the break. Nice little breakout right there. And now the buying comes in. Nice. I need to see my position size. I'm gonna switch this up real quick. I can't see my position size. Okay, $1. All right, popping some. Oh, Jesus. Chill. Popping some off. Did I pop some off? Yeah, I did. Nice little pullback there. 95 shares left. Take some more right there on the top. Take some more. Need to see it go. 60s, 62s. Can we get to 65s? Struggling there, taking. There we go. 69, 70s. Taking up there. Making sure I don't absolutely destroy myself. Taking 75 shares left. Not seeing that push that I want to see. Taking off a lot more there. They're dropping shares here. 20 shares left. Making sure I get all my money back from that red day. Looking for, struggling to get the 50s back up there. Okay. Just locking it out. Looking real weak here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out everything out. I mean, I just made $76 red day back, so why hold? I'm good. I'm good. I might have a small green day, but I definitely, that was like $100 something trade. I was down 76 bucks. So great. That was 87 cents in the profit. This first one on AHP, I took everything though at 153, but now I'm up lunch money. Better than $76 in the hole though. All right. So it's trying to hold up this 950. It may have to give another pullback above VWAP, and then maybe I can take another green trade to add to my green instead of taking away. But oh well, I can't complain about that. Cannot complain about that. All right. Yeah, I see you, MSEC. You said the emotions suck. Most definitely. I just had to just clip it there. Once I got back green, I don't really care. Look, I just made 76, so pretty much $86 on that trade because I was down 76. So I'm good. On a Friday, I can't ask for any more. I'm good. I knew it was gonna happen. I just didn't know when. But I definitely bought a little bit too high up here on that first entry that I had to cut off. Message. Oh yeah, bro, man, ending the week with $100 loss would have just been like, bruh, no. But hey, glad even $10, being up $10 right now, I can come back next week and trade. That looks like a double top. It may not be 992. It's all good. Man, the first one I tried did not go. Then all of a sudden, got in where let's see, this one has been working as well. Yeah, I like this one. I play small on it. Let's see, 81. Can we get, whoa, look at this spread. This is a 20-cent spread. Wow. So we see 80 out here on time and sales. That's crazy, man. And then it's not even moving. Look at this 20-cent spread not moving. AHPI going back up, but it's okay. I just took off where I needed to. Not asking for any more. I'll wait for another pullback. One thing I kind of transition my mind into is that you have all day and tomorrow to trade, because I used to trade, I used to be like, okay, I have this time limit, got to get it done in this time limit. And then things don't line up in a time limit and I get murked. Absolutely murked. So I'm like, man, forget that. This one's getting a little bit. That volatility is just not there for me though. This one has a little bit more volatility than that last one. The spread is coming up, so I'm gonna play this one. I'll play it a little small, see what kind of action it can give. Get in 25 shares there. Let's see if it can start getting bought up here. Has a flat top here of the 596. Can we get through that 596? All we need is a big buyer. That's it. Bottom of this candle is the low of the 560. There we go. How far can you go? 95s. There we go. Nice little pump up there. Nice. Can we break this high of the 614s? 90, 29. Get those buyers in there so I can take some profit. Ooh, that's quick. Yeah. Two. Wow. Time I pressed the sell button, it was moving up. Looking for a little bit more help through the 10s. Taking a little profit up here. Taking a little bit more. Was looking for that break of the 14. It's getting a little snappy there. Took some off. Ooh, let me get out. Ooh, all the way back to the 6 on the bid. Oh no, sir. I saw the 6 on the bid. Looks like it's gonna go ahead and drop a little bit. Oh, I saw the 6. I got confused. Oh my gosh. I got confused on that one. I was looking down here. I was thinking about the 5 when it's at the 6. Oh well. Oh my gosh. That's all good. Oh, I was looking at the level 2, saw the 6 flash. I was like, hold on, that's a whole dollar level. It's about to break down. Nope. All right, Marin. Good entry, just idiotic moves in the entry, human error in the entry. But, you know, happens sometimes. Let's see. Can we get a little bit of a pullback? This one's gonna have to be a scalper. There's no way I can do anything else with this. There's the rip down. Okay. Starting to get some short action over here. They're like, hey, this isn't worth it. Let's short this. Yeah, I don't like those rips when they starts to get a little bit crazy. Can we get a pullback here? Starting to get a lot of shares traded. Break down the 50. There's the 40. Can we break down a little bit more? Nope. It's like it still wants to go a little bit. Bought that little dip right there. See if we can get a rip. I will be looking to get out below that 30. Got to get over the 50s though. Need to see the 60s. I'll take it, the 60s, really. I mean, I'm in small, so it's whatever you want to do, bro. Pop some off there. Feel like I'm gonna go red on this one if I keep playing around with it. Back over the 50s. Under the 40s, I'm taking all. Yep. Take all right there. Got out at the 36 right there. Wasn't in big anyway. I'm just winding down my trading day. Oh, wow. HPH is back up. That's what I wanted to see. This is the one I wanted to see. Let's see you come down a bit. Or actually, it already did a pullback here and then is pushing out the shorts here. Working its way back down. So it really didn't go that much higher than where I got out. Really. Not yet, anyway. Let's see. The top of this is the 95s. Don't want to enter too high like last time and end up regretting it. Go right back red. Go right back red after I got out of the red. Marin. Going up. ST came down. A Busk Latte. Busk Latte. Nice. Busk Latte. Can we see those 80s on the bid? Nope. Breaking down the 75. Broke down everything, really. Boy. OSS. SNTG. I'm done with that one. What else? BLI. BLIN. What is it doing? It's come down to this point. Did it have news on it there or something? Does it have a reason to go back up? Not looking like it. Marin still grinding up as well. It has a top here of the 861. I'm gonna let it pull back and I may take an entry on Marin. This one I just don't like anymore, even if it goes. So we'll watch Marin for a pullback. Man, I don't know what's wrong with this chart. It should be showing a daily chart here, but it's tripping. I'm wondering, is it connected to something else and messing me up? I think I know what it is. Let's see. I think it's something over here. Nope, that's not it. Is it this? Nope. Hmm. Marin finally giving a pullback. Works. How much money can I make with 200 bucks? Is the question. Yeah, I think Marin's going to be the last hope of the day. If it can pull back here. Come on, pull back. How many shares of this can I get? 25 shares. What a sad, sad little thing. Marin. Ooh. Looks like it wants to hold up. Let's see. What's the high of that? Looks like it wants to go ahead and get going. Was that a double top? 39.39. Go ahead and break that. 38s, 39s. All right, Jay Kratz, be easy, man. Be safe. This thing's piling up. I don't like that. I don't like that for an entry anymore. It looks like it's going to give us some red. Okay. Liking that one. Come on, works. Pull back. Apron. A BLIN came down and consolidated down here. I like it. What's the top here? 723s. I do like it. Let's see how many shares I can get of this. 221. This will be probably the last trade of the day. Break of the 15s. Slowing down ever so slightly. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. This thing's got a lot of selling pressure over the top, so on these last two bars, so I'm not too excited about that one. Even if it pushes through, there's a lot of shorts right there. T-Cat popping up there. Very not volatile stock, so be careful on that one. But BLIN though, it's really piquing my interest here. Volume kind of drying up as well there. So I don't know about that one. Look at this. Nice little flat top here. Tested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So not too interested in that. Getting shorted right there again. Marin finally giving a pullback up here. Let's see if we can do something with Marin. BLIN. Any news today? No news today. So I don't know if that thing can get back up. Marin coming down. Okay. So it looks like it wants to peek his head out of the window. Getting up there. Was that a double top? Almost. Threw a little wick up there. Getting up there. Will it get shorted down? Okay, pushing up to the $10. Oh, gee whiz. Wow. Let's see this pullback. What's it gonna look like? How far are you gonna pull back? Very, very small pullback. You see a little bit more red there on that pullback. Looking like it wants to go ahead and go. Yeah, go ahead and go. Wow. Had a little pressure there, but pushed all the way through that pressure. Now, will it hold it up? 985s. Looks like the spot to be. Spot to stay over. Wow. Right back to it. All right. Well, we'll continue watching. I knew there was a lot of short pressure up there. That volume is dried up as well. Big dump. Dumped all the way through that little top that I just marked. So yeah, that was a short pressure. Going to work. Huge topping tail on the 15-minute on AHPI. Everything else looks to have faded off. Do know one thing, that probably gave the shorts a scare right there, breaking that 10. Five shares. This one can reset up. I would like to enter for a break of this top of the 850 if it can do it. Have plenty of resistance up here, but it's gonna have to reset up for that move. If it goes too fast, like if it goes right here, it's gonna mess up everything. So I'm just waiting. I'm liking Martin for this break. Let's just hold it down for a little bit. Stay under that 30 for just a little bit longer. Oh, wow. This one has a bit of time on that 15-minute or 5 minutes on that 15-minute candle. So I'm going to see what kind of action it can give in the next 5 minutes. And yeah, about to walk away if it can't do anything. It goes ahead and crashes through this 814 support right there. That's where I'll be watching. AHPI going on down. So yeah. Will it crack that 814 there? Bounced off of it again. People should be coming over from these other tickers as well. Now the AHPI is failing. Let's see. Works. Or maybe AHPI isn't failing. What is it doing? TCAT. All right, so this one is getting bought up off this level. Like to see it hold up the 30s for that break of the 50. $30. Six. 3 minutes left on this candle. And if it breaks at 14, I'm going to lose all interest in it. 18s. Gotta hold up. 20s. $22s. $23s. Come on now. This one is actually moving up as well. I may play ball on this one instead of the other one. Looking like it's getting up there quite nicely. Top side of this one was the 990s. But it looks like it's turning into a grinder, which it shouldn't be with that low float. Okay, still holding the 20s over here. About to close this candle. Just a few seconds. Okay. Open up lower right there. So I'm not liking that already. HPI. 60s. So there's a lot of struggling going on right now. I don't know if I want to stick this last 200 in there. I might just let that roll over. Today was a rough day, but I still came out okay. But I feel like if I continue trying to enter these trades, I'm gonna end up with broken fingers. That's what it's feeling like. It's a very small little green candle. Much more potential to go red on the 15-minute. Marin did come down here and crack this bottom, but somehow held it up. It's gonna have to stay above that 814. This one have news on the day. Options prices for stocks expected to report quarterly results. $20s. You just start holding in those 20s. Get that nice explosion. 22s. Okay, so I might be looking for a test of the 850s here. It's holding up everything. Can we get the 25s to kind of hold there? Okay, 25, 26s. Wow, got smashed for a little bit. All right. There we go. Get in right there. My little 25 shares. I use this as my out. 811. That's what I was looking for, buddy. Get going. Go make me some money, buddy. All right, 811 is the low down here. So 810, I'll be out. Risking just a little bit on this one. So I got my stop out ready to go. I'm just gonna let this thing play and see if it can break that 850 level. Since AHPI is failing now, should be getting some more eyes on it because it is the third leading mover here. Yes, pay me, pay me money. Looking for that break of the 850 here. In small 25 shares, but 25 shares could be a blessing in disguise. You never know. Will the buyers come look at it? Can we start to hold at 35? Uh-oh. Hmm. Let's see what it wants to do. Got my stop ready to go. Needs to hold up those 30s. Hmm. 15 minute. It's kind of questionable what it wants to do. Popping back and forth. 15 shares. See, this one's lost quite a bit, so we should see some eyes over here on this one soon. That flat top right there is what I want to see break, that 850 level. Very close to it. '30s. Can we go touch that 50? 34 is getting bought up finally. Let's see if we can start to hold that 34. Can we get that 850 level? We got about a minute left on this candle. Wonder will it close green or red? Buying coming in on this one. People finally getting their eyes over here. Finally. Boy, I tell you what. Got up there real quick. I don't think it's done though. That was just the first FOMO buyers. Looking for that 40 to break. Let's get up there to that 50. Okay, break even is the 830s. We have a bottom here of the 825s. If I risk 825s, it'll be 5 cents on this position. Looking for it to push into the 40s though. And then I'll change this out. All right, now it's put. Whoa, dude, chill, bro. Chill. Shorts. Y'all ain't really about that life, are y'all? Are you gonna push it all the way down here? Oh boy. All right, so the new low 825 is where I'm gonna put it if it can push up with some green. How high did it go just then? It went to the 45s. Shorts are kind of stepping in there on that flat top. Looks like they're about to knock it all the way down. Needs to start holding up the 25s or I'm gonna get out. I'm only gonna move my stop up. So if it can't go up, just gonna get out. So I'm guessing this is a new bottom, 819. If it can push up, that'll be where I move my bottom to. Looking for it to get back into the 30s. 30s, can we get the 30s on the bid? See the 32s on the tape. Not seeing any 30s coming up here on the bid though. All right, so 819. Let's go ahead and get ready to make the move. We can't start holding up those 30s. All right, so yeah, 819 going in there is my out. Yeah, most def. So it's in there now. If it wants to come back down to that level, I'll go ahead and get out. Big buy up right there. A lot of time spent here, so I want to see it get up and go. There we go. Ain't that beautiful? All right, so let's get ready to wow, look at that. 819 still my out, holding strong. Risking what, 20 cents or something on this one. The high up here was the 859. So we'll see how far I can push up. Letting it play a bit and letting people buy this dip, hopefully. Go ahead and take it up a little bit more. Well, at least I'll have a nice lunch, you know, nice lunchtime moves. Sitting at 18 bucks, so yeah, I can have an $18 lunch today. Nice. See if it can continue at all. Got right up there to that top level of the 59 and kind of just paused. Needs to start holding those 50s, 850s. Break even. Break even is my new out, 830s. Yeah, nice little crumpets up there. Can we push into the 70s? Nice. All right. So yeah, gonna have a nice lunch today. Can we hold those 70s up there? 70s, 71s. We'll start taking off some position here. Yeah, go ahead and lock in some. Just taking one share at a time. I only got 25, so taking a little bit more. Just looking for another push into the 75s, through the 75s rather. Taking a little bit more, struggling up here around the 70s. Can we get that 75 pop? Nice, very quick pop. Okay. Eights. I'm gonna take a little bit up here around that level. Okay. Taking some around here. Struggling at the 70 there. 66. Taking a little bit more. The bottom of this, the 844 would be my all out. It'll be a green trade either way it goes. But I'm going to put 10 shares down there and I'm going to hold the other 9. So sell, stop, 844 down here, and I will be selling up top as well. Let's see if we can push to those 9s. A lot of pressure there. Pop some more up here. 18 shares left. Should have went. Popping some more off. Yeah. Yeah, struggling a little bit. Not seeing the 70s anymore, taking off. Where are those 70s at? 72s right there. Still waiting, holding. Needs to hold the 70s on the bid. 70s. You can see 71s on the bid. Nice. Can we get up there to that $9? Take a little bit up here as well. Just kind of struggling up here. Take a little bit more. 13 shares left. Take some more. Can we break that 75? Keeps on doing that. 74. 11 shares left. Not really trusting it a lot because it's not getting that big momentum through there. Taking off there as well. All right, so I will put 5 shares down here at the bottom now. I got 10 shares left, so 5 shares at the bottom will be my stop out. And we will see if it can move up any more. If it can push over this top, I'll take some. $75s. Seeing a little struggle point there, taking a little bit off. Struggling some more. Break of the 65. Took some off on the break of the 65. And it's starting to slow down a little bit too much for my liking. Go ahead and take some more off. Five shares left. I am completely safe with this. So I'm going to say, okay, if it breaks the body of this candle, 854, I'm going to go ahead and get all out. 854. Let's see, 850, 849 for 850. All right, got my stop in there. If it comes down, this is still a green trade from whatever this is. So break that 850, I'm out. So I'm gonna have a nice little lunch today, $22 lunch. So that's great. Be able to eat my cereal, my milk, and my granola bar for lunch. I know what you're thinking. That's not that expensive. You're right. All right, so what's the bottom of this new low? New low is at the 855. If it can push up above this 855, I'll go ahead and put this as my stop. But as of right now, break of the 850 is my exit plan. Nothing else is really looking appetizing. Bro, OSAT is back up. OSAT, I traded this thing. Let me see, where was this? What day was this? I traded it back here. Got in 300 shares. Got out. Look at it now. Look at this. It's all good. Low volume pushing it up anyway. Back out here to Marin. Let's see if it can continue going up. Holding very small share size, so no danger. If it can push up off of this, I'll put this as my new low, 855. Actually, I'll put 3 shares down there and sell 2 up top. 855. All right, so I can dump some off up here. See if we can get into the 90s. Nice 90 break. Selling some right up there at the top of the 90. Nice selling. So one more up there at the 90. Still holding my last shares. I'm about to probably peace out on this thing. 64 cents. Yeah, coming back down to 90. Sold some at that drop down to the 90. And 875 is looking like a nice exit plan for these last shares. I mean, I'm no danger here. So 874. Wow. I might have to jump out of this one looking like that. All right, holding one share. Literally no danger now. So the bottom of this is the 870s. 869 I will be out. Put my stop loss there if it wants to crank down. And that is 54 cents in the profit. So nice little gains. Had to wait all day, but you know, things happen. Let's go. Go ahead and stop me out. I know you want to, unless you want to continue pumping. Will it break the 90s here? Will it be sporadic? Or will it break down? Break down the body of this candle, I'm out. Come on. Do what you got to do. Diamond hands? How is it the diamond hands? It's still going up and I've been in the green this whole trade. How? And plus I have my stop already ready to exit. So if it dumps, it's one share. 56 cents in the profit. So it's not going to hurt me at all. Diamond hands is when, you know, something's already made this move. And you buy somewhere already in this move. I bought down here, right here, at this bottom. All right, what's the bottom of this? 875 break. Looks like the next place I need to be looking to get out. So that's where I put it, 74 level. If it wants to snap down, I'll get down right here. There's another little pump out right there. Break of the body of this candle is a new out, 882. Okay, I'll be out if this one goes red. Oh, I got you. I got you. 906. But I was selling. I just didn't sell my full position. I was scared. That's why I was cutting down my position. I was definitely scared. Better believe it. All right, so struggling at that $9 level. What's the top of this? The top of this is the 897. So I would do an 890 out now. Go ahead and move up a little bit more. We're quite extended here. It's already coming back down to the 90. So if it can push back up, that'll be my out. But it may not. The body of this candle is my out. Let's see if it'll stop me. And karate chop. Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. Oh, it's going to break 9. I'm going to be sitting here forever. But I am going to take all this profit. I don't care. I'm going to take as much profit as it wants to pay me. I waited all day for this. I'm good. I was looking for that 850 break like all day. And it was crawling. All right, so now I'm seeing a little bit of weakness. Let's see, 890s is looking like the spot. Let's do 889 to be sure that it breaks out of the 90s. Oh, wow. Little pop there up to the 904s. Well, it looks like it wants to continue going. So I'll move it up to the 895s here. 895s on the push up. And I'm going to go ahead and stick my stop there. If it comes back down, I'm going to be out. Don't really care. Ready to get out anyway. And almost got me out there. Will it hit the 910s? It'll start coming back down at 12. On this extension, I'm pretty sure it'll be way before 12. There it is. Stop me out right there. Whatever. Took that nice green trade. Here are my trades for today. That stupid trade I took on AHPI at first. $1.53 lost there. So that was about 76 bucks on that rip. And then I took a couple of losers on SNTG, that little small popper that I traded. And then everything else was green on AHPI and Marin. But yeah, that's the trading day for Friday. Very slow Friday. I had to be stupid patient today, but I guess it paid off a little bit. I'll be able to get some lunch, some expensive cereal, some milk from some kind of ancient creature, and then a granola bar. Will be great. AHPI still going down. Glad I got out of that one. BLIN. It finally came up, but I'm not even looking to take any more trades because I have no more capital. All right. All right. Ooh. Chill, bro. Anyway, so that was a trading day. I went from down red to up green to scared that I was gonna go back red, but I went. Now the first trade was $76 in the red, and I was like, closing up the week red today. Closing up the week red. But I stayed consistent. I didn't just walk away. Sometimes when you know, hey, I followed the plan. I did hold a little bit longer than I should have on AHPH because it was a low float, but it's whatever. If you're gonna continue trading today, be careful. It is real out here on Friday. But anyway, I will see you guys next week. And anything else I want to say? You can check out Framework Fortune as well. Me and Ben, we work together, and also he has a website, frameworkfortune.com. And we kind of just partner up on everything. I help him out, he helps me out, and we keep it rolling. I don't know how he did today. I'm definitely gonna go and talk some noise to him and see how he did. Hopefully he wasn't holding any of this. But that's it. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.